welcome in. I want to introduce you to something I call place and space. Repeat that back to me. Place and space. The idea behind place and space is for that any clothesline activity, students first place the cards in a numerical order or logical order that makes sense to them. Once they do that, then work on spacing the cards. In other words, find distances between cards that make sense to them. Keep working on that number sense. So I'm going to use this algebraic expressions activity that you can find on my website to demonstrate place and space. So if you haven't solved this activity before, maybe find it or pause the video right now and do it. Okay, so here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is going to take all the white cards and place them in a numerical order. It makes sense to me. Here we go. Watch my kung fu skills. Ready, set, go. So I hope you agree with the order of the white cards. I've placed them in a way that makes sense to me. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the green cards in an order that makes sense to me that determines M, the mystery number. Here we go. Ready, set, go. So I first placed the green cards. Now let's double check them. I'm saying that M is 12. Let's do it and check it by using substitution. 0 times 12 is 0. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 plus 7 is 19. And 2 times 12 is 24. I'm liking it. So I placed them correctly in my mind. Now I'm going to space them. So let's check out the cards. Are there ways and numbers that we could use in order to check our spacing? A lot of students and teachers will point out the fact that we could maybe use 0, 12, and 24. They'll say the distance between 0 and 12 should be the same between 12 and 14. And what students will do is this. They'll take their hands, they'll come up, and they'll do something like this. And then they'll turn around and be like, oh, wait. Yeah, that happens. So I was standing in the class one time and I realized, what if we use a measuring tape? Yeah, I carry these around in my pocket. So here we go, check this out. The distance between 0 and 12 should be the same between 12 and 24. Ooh, we're a little off. So let's fix it. Move the green card with it too. Now can we use any of the other numbers? Now that we think 12 is here, shouldn't this be a third of the way to 12? So in other words, 1, 2, oh no, that doesn't work. Maybe move 4 over a little bit. How about 1, 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 12 is 14. 8 plus 4 is 12. Nice. If I move 7 back, then we're a little bit before 8. Now, we didn't check the 19. So let's use some of the other numbers to check the 19. How about the distance between 0 and 7? Wouldn't that get us 12 plus 7 is 19? So here we go. Check this out. Let's put 19 right here. I'm liking this. Let me move the green cards. I've got one more trick for you. How about this distance between 7 and 12? Isn't that 5? Well, shouldn't the same distance be between 19 and 24? Yeah, watch this. 7 and 12, 19 and 24. Not bad. Pretty close. So there you go. That's called place and space. Place the cards first and then focus on the spacing between the cards. All right.